Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Today I wanted to share a package I got in the mail today, and I haven't been doing much video, so I'm just kind of out of practice, and I had opened it and something happened to my webcam. It was all packaged up real nice, and this package came from Angie, who's Itty Bitty Crafts here on YouTube. And I won her, what did I win her? What did I win? Oh goodness, it was her Itty Bitty Challenge that she has. And she had wrapped it in this really cool, I don't know, is this a, it's like some kind of paper, looks old, looks cool. And I'm saving all of this. And she packaged it up so nice. So here is, oh, look at this. She has it in this itty bitty jar. Oh my gosh, I'm not even in frame, sorry. Look how cute this itty bitty jar is. And it has like sand and some greenery in it. And then she has this little, I wonder what this is. Let's see if I can open it without, sorry for the crinkling. Oh my God, how cute is this little book? Oh my gosh, it's one of her little bitty books. How cute. And this is her seam binding. How cute. I love the little bling on the paper. It's really, really cute. Oh, how cool. I can decorate it myself. That is really cool. Thank you, Angie. And then, I was like a surprise winner, I think. She just wanted to give another prize away. And just so happened my name was pulled. It is so cute. I don't want to... Oh, cute is that? I don't know what this is. I think it's one of her creations that she loves making. And the presentation, Angie, oh my gosh. So cute. She has my name on the box. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's in a little tea bag. Oh, oh my goodness. I love all this. Cute. So this is like a little teeny tiny tea bag. And let's see. It's one of her little bitty, her teeny tiny houses. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Cool, cool, cool. It's on a little bitty button. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at the little bitty house. Look at it. And it's on a button, guys. It's on a button. How cool is that? And there's like, it's a little tiny, oh my gosh, Angie, this is adorable. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. It's so cool. Look, she has like a little nail for his for a chimney. How clever is that? Oh my gosh, I don't even know where I'm going to put this. Oh my god. So anyway, I will have her link down below so you guys can go check her out. She does amazing work, and she also does felt, guys, and it's pretty cool. So thank you, Angie. I love it. Thank you for hosting this itty bitty challenge. It was a challenge, and I hope you liked my little little books that I made you. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone. If I can get this